At Browns of Richmond, we help people understand how much they can really save by switching from a petrol or diesel car to an electric vehicle. Here, we're showing how our savings tools work to help you understand how much you can save, but we're going to show you using a real example. Dave owned a 2009 120,000 mile Hyundai i20, which was becoming unreliable, and he wanted to exchange it with us here at Browns of Richmond. Whilst browsing, he noticed this Renault Zoe electric. He wanted to know two things: what it would cost per month and how much he could save by going electric. When he opened the finance calculator, it defaulted to 10% deposit, but he wanted to use the £500 his part exchange was worth as the entire deposit, so he didn't have to put any cash in. He updated the deposit amount and the system instantly recalculated the payments. This showed that his first payment was £171 and then £171 per month over 57 months on a PCP, or as Dave chose to go with £198 per month because he wanted to own the car at the end of the HP agreement. So that's what the car will cost him on finance alone. But Dave still hadn't seen the real savings, the fuel savings. Using the tool below, we compared the running costs of his Hyundai i20 with the Renault Zoe electric, filling in the required details. Dave drives 18,000 miles per year, and he has the ability to plug his car in at home overnight, and he can use the Octopus Intelligent Go tariff at 0.07 pence per kilowatt hour. And the average UK petrol price at the time of this example is £1.44 per litre. Once entered, the comparison tools showed the true savings when switching to an electric vehicle. The results were clear. The i20 cost 13 pence per mile in fuel. The Zoe costs just 2 pence per mile in electric when charging at home. That's £2,292 a year in petrol versus £360 in electricity, resulting in Dave saving £161 every single month on fuel. If you take the £161 monthly fuel saving off the £198 monthly finance payment, that means that Dave is paying just £37 per month in total difference between his old car and his new car, so upgrading for just £37 per month overall. So don't take our word for it, try the calculators for yourself with your car and mileage, or give our team a call and we can do this for you. Browns of Richmond, making cars affordable again.